Hi, happy Easter 2023. How are you? Thanks for joining. Today I'm doing what's in your blender. Is anything in your blender? I'm about to put some really juicy, yummy Easter treats into my blender and show you how to have a delicious fruit smoothie without the dairy actually, and all natural. So let's begin. Today I'm doing a pink Easter drink. Oh, speaking of pink, I got this lovely rose quartz healing necklace pendant, right? With this chain when I was at that crystal store last week. And I absolutely love this beautiful healing piece. I feel so calm when I'm wearing it. I just wanted to share that with you. So let's begin. What is in your blender? What's in my blender? Well, I have some really awesome fruit that I cut up and it is gorgeous. I have, well, let's just begin and I'll tell you. So what I want to do is I want to put a whole thing of ice in here. Oh, okay. A couple went on the floor, pardon me. Okay, so today I want it kind of smooth, not necessarily chunky. So just one tray of ice should be absolutely sufficient. Okay, so now we're gonna add some freshly squeezed orange juice. And we're gonna shake that up. I don't know about you, but every fluid that I have in the refrigerator, I like to shake up. So let's put about a cup, actually 2 cups, because I want like extra of this. That way I can sip on it later. Great. So now that we put the orange, let's add some strawberries. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, let's add the strawberries because orange and strawberries go so well. If you go to all those places that make smoothie and fruit drinks, they always mix strawberry with orange, and it's one of my favorite. Happy Easter. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, we got all the strawberries in there. Now, let's add some apple. And I cut all this up ahead of time so I wouldn't bore you with the slicing of the fruit. Although sometimes that's fun to do a live video and cut it all up while I'm talking to you. So that's the strawberries and that is the apple. It looks so good already. Now let's give it a shot of pink. So the pink today is going to be raspberry lemonade, and I'm going to give that a little bit of a shake. Hello, everybody. How is your holiday today? So let's give it about 2 cups, and I like to just eye things. It looks like we might have to put a little more ice, but we'll see, because I don't want it crunchy. I want it smooth. So now let's go ahead and put these delicious orange slices in there. So I cut up 2 oranges, so I got 4 halves. All right, and I was thinking about making it like a boba, except with like grapes, because sometimes when you blend these, you got like the grape skin, but I think they're too big for a boba, so I'm just gonna toss them in there. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Well, let's give this baby a spin, shall we? Put the lid on real tight. Let's do ice crush first. Whoa, that's looking really smooth. Wow. See how it's like floating down? Let's put it on low. I think we got it. Pink drink. Well, it's kind of like rosé. So I can make it a little more pink, but then it's gonna be too lemony. So let's just go with this shade for now. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay. And I don't think I need a ladle today because it looks like it's gonna pour just fine. Wow. Oh my God, yes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Ooh. Happy Easter, everybody. Cheers. Thanks for watching What's in Your Blender. And this is a really neat way to supplement meals and eat clean. Eat clean. Eat, I don't know, does that sound right? Thank you. Thanks for all your compliments, everybody. So this is a clean way of eating and drinking. So you don't have to always eat your meal. You could sometimes drink it. So you could replace meals, like instead of lunch, I'm just gonna have this. Happy Easter. I love you. See you later. Oh my God. I have totally outdone myself this time. This is amazing. Please try it. Have a wonderful evening.